and today I'm going to be presenting on depreciation. We learned about three different types of depreciation, and those are the straight line method, the units of production method, and the double declining method. First off, we're going to start with the straight line method. So throughout this presentation, I will be using an example of some equipment we bought for $322,000. This equipment had a residual value of $50,000 and a useful life of 8 years or 800,000 uses. So for our straight line calculation, in order to find that, we take our total cost minus our residual value and divide it by our useful life in years. So for our example, we take the $322,000 minus $50,000 and divide it by 8. And for our depreciation value, we get $34,000. For this method, the $34,000 will be consistent for each year of depreciation throughout its useful life. Our second method is the units of production method. This one is similar, but it has a two-step process to follow. So for this calculation, similar to what we see here, you take your total cost minus your residual value and divide it by your total useful life in the number of uses you can get out of that equipment. So for our example, you will take $322,000 minus $50,000 and divide it by 800,000. That will give you a total of 34 cents per use. Once you get that 34 cents, you multiply it by how many uses we had in year one. As you can see here, that was 80,000. So you take 34 cents times 80,000 uses and get a total of $27,200. For this method, the amount of depreciation will depend solely on the number of uses that year. Our final method to talk about is the double declining method. This calculation is a little different than the other two because it does not use residual value in its calculation. So for our calculation, you take your total cost minus accumulated depreciation, multiply it by 2, hence the name double declining method, and multiply that number by 1 over your useful value in years. Useful life in years, sorry. So for our example, we take $322,000 minus 0, since we don't have accumulated depreciation in year 1, and multiply that number by 2, and then again by 1 over 8. That calculation gives us a total of $80,000, $80,500. So this calculation is also different because it does change a lot. It starts off really high at the beginning because your equipment depreciates a lot more in the first year than it does in following years. Right. To wrap this all up, I will show you the comparison of the three different methods and how our depreciation values compare. So for our straight line method, in year 1, we have $34,000. Our units of production method, in year 1, we had $27,200. In our double declining method, we had $80,500. So as you can see, the double declining method had a lot more depreciation in year 1, and it will continue to decrease from there. So in conclusion, this is depreciation.